Hey, travelers. If you're planning a trip in 2025, you already know how painful roaming charges can be. But what if I told you there's a smarter, cheaper, and instant way to stay connected anywhere in the world? That's right. We're talking about Saily eSIM, one of the best global travel eSIMs out there. And the best part? I've got some exclusive coupon codes that can save you real money right now. So stick with me until the end because I'll share multiple working codes plus the most updated discount link in my description. If you haven't heard about Saily, here's why it's blowing up in 2025. No need to swap physical SIM cards, just download the eSIM and you're ready to go. Works in over 150 countries, so whether you're hopping across Europe, chilling in Asia, or road tripping through the US, you're covered. Super flexible data plans, daily, weekly, or monthly, depending on your trip. Now, as someone who's constantly looking for ways to travel smarter and spend less, I've tested quite a few eSIM providers. Honestly, Saily gives one of the smoothest setups and some of the best global coverage I've experienced. All right, let's talk savings. I know that's why you're here. I've gathered some coupon codes that are working right now for 2025. Saily 15, save 15% off any plan. Travel 2025, get an extra 10% off on multi-country packages. Global 5, flat $5 discount on your first eSIM purchase. Stay connected. Unlock 20% off for new users. But here's the deal. These codes sometimes expire or change. That's why I've added the most updated coupon page link in the description below. That link always has the latest and highest discounts Saily is offering. So before you check out, make sure to click through that link to maximize your savings. Now, a quick tip. Whenever you're shopping for travel eSIMs, don't just grab the first discount code you see floating around online. A lot of them are outdated. That's exactly why I maintain the updated link in my description. It connects you directly to Saily's active promotions and exclusive affiliate discounts. If you want to save instantly and not waste time testing expired codes, that's the smartest move. So there you go. If you're planning any international trips this year, don't overpay for roaming. Grab one of these coupon codes, or better yet, just hit that discount link in my description to make sure you're getting the latest deal. If this video helped you save money, do me a favor, drop a like, hit subscribe for more travel hacks, and let me know in the comments where you're heading next. Stay safe, stay connected, and I'll see you in the next one.